Hello, welcome to another episode of Free Code Friday. My name is Jason Bach, and I think we're up to lucky 13 if I remember right. Let's see. Yes, I do P90X. 12. Yes, this will be 13. Okay, so last time I did an episode, I was kind of tired, feeling a little off, but this one I'm actually doing on a Saturday morning, and I have my sons actually have a friend over, so they're playing video games, and I don't know if they'll actually, the sound will make it all the way down to here, but who knows? So if you hear kids yelling in the background, that's them. Hopefully this will also help me be a little bit more awake this time. So I did a little bit of work afterwards, cleaning up some of the code, getting a way to add a style walker to one. That was pretty easy. I just had to add a bunch of add methods to styles in data types, and then essentially became pretty clean to do that. So what I want to do this morning, or in this episode I should say, is do the actual style generator. Okay. So this will basically say, and I'm thinking it can be static because there's no reason to create an instance of it. Public static style walker. I really want to make this a document. And so what I mean by that is there's a way in the compiler API to use what's called a workspace. And I was actually looking at some code I've written before. You get the workspace, you can open a solution, you can get all the projects, you can get all the documents. And so what I really want is a document. And actually that gives me a little bit more overload safety, so to speak. No, see, it's not getting the right one. So this one, code analysis MSBuild, I think that's what I need. No packages found. If I say MSBuild workspace, is it going to be smart enough to figure that out? Okay, so it knows to get that one. Well, we'll see if that's the right one. Okay, so we got a document. We also want a way to do with a project. So I'm actually going to grab this. Do the raw. I'll grab this. Okay, so they might have moved some packages around and I just don't know about it. I do have another place to look. Oh. Is it in the, I think it's in the 3rd chapter. Well, I'm just having a heck of a time trying to find out where these are. C# workspaces? I got workspaces common. Do I need to... Maybe that's not enough. Maybe I need C# workspaces. And since I'm not quite sure... Okay, that's probably the one I want. Okay, so now, you don't know what that is? Oh, come on. This is more work than I was expecting. I wanted to just... Yeah, but that's... I'm very confused. I never use build here. Co-analysis MSBuild. Okay, now I'm really starting to get annoyed. What am I? What am I missing here? Well, that's all old stuff. Why? I thought this was going to be a lot easier than it's turned out to be. It's not at all. This is going to be the episode of how in the hell do I get MSBuild workspace referenced? No, I don't need to generate something. I need you to actually see installed. You can't show me anything in these? Okay, well that gives me an ad hoc workspace. But why are you not giving me a there's so many in there that it doesn't know like how to. Oh, this tool has gone completely down the crapper. Not that it was ever the greatest tool in the world, but at least it used to work. Now it's not even working at all. It could be. You know what? I did see this before. I'm just gonna check what I wrote before. You know what? No, because I'm gonna knock down my alien. Let's do writing. And a book, a final proof. I thought I had something in the yeah, 91. Too bad. You know, wait a minute. Let's actually use the right tool for this. No. What is a workspace? The ad hoc workspace. You can find this workspace in the Microsoft Code Analysis Workspace's desktop assembly. Really? You know what? Since this isn't the comment remover. Is there such a thing? This is just infuriating right now. I don't need an MSBuild task. Obviously, I got this to work because this used to be in my my stuff. But for some reason now, and again, this was written. I mean, this book is. It was targeting 2015, and there's a. Funny. Find this workspace in the Microsoft Code Analysis Workspace's desktop assembly. Well, they might have moved it, but then how do you find? where do you exist? Well, that's telling me the namespace, which doesn't really mean much because it could be anywhere. I mean, it doesn't even exist in that. Yeah, I have no idea what this would actually be in. Wow, guys, this really sucks. I have no idea where this type actually gets shipped. Root namespace. Yeah, that's the name of the assembly. That's wonderful, but it's not. Wow. Okay, this is really being awful right now. How do I reference MSBuild workspace? Come on, guys. Yeah, that's 2013. That's not going to help me with... Let's include the MSBuild and MSBuild task core packages. Well, that's app config. That doesn't exist anymore. Well, you know, when you've got nothing else to try, I just think this is going to be a whole bunch of crap. Now, do I have any chance of... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Still cannot find it. What in the freaking hell? I mean, seriously, this is just ridiculous at this point. I'm about to just go online and yell at the Roswell team and go, how do I reference MSBuild workspace? Because apparently I'm just too stupid to figure it out. This is just awful. I know I'm ranting here, but this is just... like, how... Yes, I would like to use it, but I can't find it. And I've wasted what now? 20 minutes essentially trying to find this thing, and I can't find it. And once I do, it's probably going to be so easy. No. I know this is doing a search. How about packages? Members, types, files. No, how about you actually... No. Oh my God. Oh, it took that long to tell me that you couldn't find it. Well, this episode's becoming a real bust if I can't find this thing. It's gotta be somewhere. Come on, really? It cannot be this hard. I mean, really, this is absolutely ridiculous. This is stuff that should just work, and it's not. Yeah, Visual Studio 2015. Yeah, this is all wonderful. This is all stuff you're telling me. But it doesn't help because it doesn't tell me what actual... Like, yeah, that's the project name, but is that what is actually shipped in? I mean, is this actually... This is becoming really freaking annoying. Unless you can't reference it from a standard project? But that would be really weird. I mean, I'm seeing here all the framework version 4.6, but God, that would suck if that's the case. Well, you know what? Now I think about it. Like, okay. And look at this, it's like it's all C++. Why? And what's a solution info? Like, what does that do? This is extremely frustrating right now. I mean, ridiculously frustrating. You would think there's an open document, but there's nothing with a current solution. And it's just a get. It's a solution, but to do this I have to do a solution info. Are you... Calm breaths. Calm breath. The thing I'm wondering is if I do tests here. No, that's not helping. Oh, that's one I could look at. I've written some analyzers for CSLA. And this might yeah, but I'm not doing an ad hoc workspace. I'm doing I want to open a solution that you're giving me. Ay. This is just amazingly stupid. All right. I'm unfortunately going to have to stop this because this is just a complete waste of my time and yours, and I'm sorry, but I'm going to put this up anyway because one of the whole points of why I do this is just to show how frustrating things can get at times being a developer. What I thought would be a very easy thing, like 1 minute tops, of just saying, hey, reference this name, get the right package and put it in, and being able to do it doesn't work. And yeah, not happy at all. So I'm going to have to find out just exactly where MSBuild exists, because obviously I'm too stupid to find it. So I'm going to go look. Hopefully if I can find it, and hopefully if I can add it into this project, I will be good to go. So I'm going to stop here. Next time I'm going to start finding this first, and then I can move on there. So thanks for listening. Questions or comments, you know where to put them. Hopefully I'll get this figured out next time. See you in the next episode.